is I Lighthouse, and I am once again still shirtless for my last game. If y'all know, y'all know. But this game's kind of weird, so like no full screen like option or anything like that. So I'll be playing like this again. So don't mind the menu. Alright, let's get to it. Where is this? Oh, where? Mind me, don't mind me. Don't worry about my so voice down because the last game I played was a fucking pain. Like a bunch of fucking like clowns jumping shit out of me, and they took my wallet, they took my computer, they took my fucking code computer too, and they made it hot as shit right now, and I'm not in a good mood. You know, I'm just not in a good mood. You know, I got fucking obliterated. My computer got obliterated too, mind you. Let's get to it though. So we got here. We got I guess I don't need a fucking mouse then. You fucking homo. Oh, okay. Okay. I'm sorry for calling you. I mean, you're a homo. Seriously, no, I'm sorry for meaning like a demeaning way. I'm just not in a good mood, dude. I am just not in a fucking good mood. Can I crouch? Can I do anything? Can I run? I can't run. Fuck, so I gotta walk everything. Okay, that sucks then. Oh shit, let's go for it then. There's no sound or anything either, by the way. It's just like this. Bam. I don't know why. La 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 la. 1, 2, buckle my shoe. 3, 4, snap my toes. Snap your toe. Oh no, I don't got a good memory. Snap your limbs from the last game. I don't like the game at all, by the way. Never played the game. The game was laggy as hell, and it was so fucking like, whatever for like evil, you know. Like, god damn. Hey yo, you good? Don't kill yourself. Oh, mistake. Oh, mistake. No, no. Just don't do yourself over the fucking chest. Don't do that. What we got here? Oh man. No, it is not it either. Alright, whatever you say, from. Oh, my bad. You heard me? You there, young man? Have you seen the latest papers? No? Everybody just uses a fucking phone nowadays. I've been looking for. I mean, you're not. You're you're grandpappy. I've looked for it everywhere. Yeah, can't you find it? Please bring it to me. Oh, a paper? Alright, bet. I'm gonna check the box first. I mean, I'm probably gonna bring it to you, anyways, I'll be honest. The door will open. Oh, oh, huh. So, I guess I gotta actually look for it then. Yeah, this latest paper, latest paper, latest paper. The doors won't open until I, sure. I can do that. Yeah, let me ask a little girl then. What? 5, 6, get your fix. 7, 8, don't be late. 9, 10, you are not my friend. 1, 2, buckle my shoe. 3, 4, lock the door. 5, 6, get your fix. 7, 8, don't be late. That's ominous as shit though. I don't fucking trust this. I don't like this. I don't trust like that anymore. I think good. Okay, I'm asking that. You know what I mean? It's kind of make me handle business real good. He'll go here on my back, you know, don't get any jokes. Actually, no. Not really. Maybe the hobo is a little more trustworthy. Who knows? Alright, yeah. Oh. Let's see, is this something you need? Oh, yeah, the fucking paper. Yeah, you want me to pay attention. Yeah. You just want to stay tight. Thank you. Which phone again? How does it work? I guess I'll just ask him later. Don't check it. Damn, I'm gonna say I'm a fucking X sweat, dude. I cannot run. I cannot fucking run. Why should it be like when like there's a giant monster chasing me? Like, oh, just click this to run, you know, man. I mean, before they chase me. Oh, there's a look for thing, young man. Blah 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 blah. Take this in. Yeah, no problem, Uncle. I mean, Grandpa. All right. Oh wait, hold up. Now let's see. 4, 13, 6. Oh, rats. Hold up. 4, 6. Bet. I remember. 4, 13, 6. Yeah, I'll remember that later. Maybe the young girl knows like something about those numbers, you know? It's like code or something. Okay, alright, so okay. Wait a second. Let me borrow. I mean, I know that I said I trust you, but I don't really trust you, to be honest. I don't trust you in like a combat situation. I'm gonna get killed. But hey, just for the sake of progressing, I'm gonna do it. Sure. Alright, so. to be my last survey. It was going from course 2. I was going to try to click home, but maybe I could go beyond. After this, I'll go home and see my family. Make sure we got mission 2. Anyways, it's working back. I agree. There's some good events over here. That's so sick. And there's 2 cars. He dropped something. Oh, really? Oh! Oh, okay. So like, I guess like, maybe like some type of medication. Is it, yeah. I guess just like maybe some type of medication, whatever. You know, when you drop, sure. Maybe like that's why she's throwing up. You know, suppression first. 426. I'm guessing they're cold, right? Which way do you think train's going? I'll never eat soggy waffle. Never eat soggy waffle. I'll go with west. Yeah. So what do you think? Haha, wrong. That was a trick question. We're not going east, no, or west. Huh? Where exactly is it? Creepy ass little girl. I don't trust this. Man. That's funny, mister. So you know where you want to go before getting on the train? Not really. I'm guessing like my character is like going like on an aimless like oh, she's answering my question here. Gentlemen, you better introduce yourself, mister. She's scared my question. Evil ass fucking kid. Jesus. Alright, come on. Hey, don't worry, man. Wait, this is something. So, should. What's going on? I know I can like fucking sneak through everything, but what's like going on though? Yes, you have to leave. Quick, follow me. Wait, it's like some type of app. Oh, what the? Where should go? Where's everybody at? There's a hobo anymore. The police guy's gone too. Wait, is this like an afterlife thing? Oh hell no. Oh hell no, I'm running. Come on, let me run. This thing like it's like heading towards the afterlife. Like somebody said like this is a true story. I don't know, maybe like this maybe guy's like in like some type of homeless or whatever. Or something like that. Maybe like he's trying to like get out. Like it was still how I feel like literally death like really super live or like oh something like go maybe ask come home like maybe like split time to come back or whatever. Maybe like girl, you know, it's like either a ghost or either like somebody like is like actual life telling like yo, don't let go, you know? Like yeah, go get it, right? Okay, watch this. I know when light flickers are gonna see somebody. Am I tweaking or is that something? Oh no, he's just one of the webs, alright. Oh, open. What do you mean? Wait, there's somebody. Wait, there's someone walking towards me. Oh, no. I see that. I'm not stupid. I see that fucking. There's a giant spider. He knows bad, but that was not hurt for real. Oh god. No, come on, let me go, man. Please. Quick, get here. Get in. Please? Can I get in? Oh, thank god. Okay, you know, thank you, young lady. That was close. You almost became a food. I know. Or worse. What, huh? What do you mean worse? Like dying or something else? Like worse than how? Like fucking, I don't know, whatever. You need to get out of here. This train can't take you home. All you do is spin around 7 times. You can hear me 7 times. You hear me 7 times? 7 times. Okay. Don't forget. Okay. I'm assuming like I got spin full time. Okay. Anyways, I'm gonna stop. You meet again. Remember, 7 times. Alright. Okay. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay. This. Okay. Cause that was 7. That was 7. Yeah, that was 7. Okay. I was so worried for a second like I didn't get it right. And I'm waking up. Hey, yo, man! I was close to him, man. He was in like some type of dream sequence, though. I was close about that, kid, man. Oh, there's my door. Oh, can we get up now, I guess? Yeah, sure. Let's get out of here now. Oh, I guess we're back home now. Maybe we'll meet again. You know, it was a short game, but it was a nice game, you know. Yeah. Well, thank you for watching, and peace.
Thank you for watching.